One, two, three, the farm and me. I predict this is going to be a counting book, but it says at the bottom, following food from the farm to your family. Maybe about foods that we get on a farm? So this book is produced by America's Test Kitchen. I would highly recommend parents consider this book as the starting point of doing some cooking in the kitchen. And you'll see why. One farmer grows enough wheat to feed many people. Wheat is the second most important source of food on the planet. Rice is number one. 2 bushels hold 2 million wheat kernels. Wheat kernels get changed into flour. Bushels are baskets that measure crops from the farm. Like grains, the farmer harvests the wheat and separates the kernels, the grain we eat, from the chaff, which we don't eat. The kernels go into a mill where they are ground into flour. The flour is bagged and sent from the mill to your supermarket. 3 types of flour are found at the grocery store: bread flour, cake flour, all-purpose flour. And there we have our baking section. Bread flour is high in protein and is best for making chewy loaves. Cake flour is low in protein and is best for tender cupcakes. Medium protein flour is called all-purpose flour and works in everything from fried chicken to pizza dough. 4 brothers and sisters get up early to milk the cows. Cows eat hay, corn, and grain in order to produce milk. Each cow eats 100 pounds of food a day. Cow's milk can be poured into cereal or used to make yogurt, butter, ice cream, or cheese. 5 quarts of milk make 1 pound of cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To turn milk into mozzarella, the cheesemaker adds citric acid and rennet and then heats the mixture to separate the liquid whey from the solid curds. The cheesemaker stretches and pulls the curds until they form elastic balls of cheese. 6 trucks carry the mozzarella cheese to the market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All kinds of markets, big and small, sell mozzarella. It is one of the most popular cheeses in the world, and mozzarella goes on our favorite food, pizza. 7 rows of tomatoes grow on a rooftop garden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The fruits, yes, tomatoes are a fruit, are ripe and ready to pick when they begin to feel a little soft when squeezed. Most tomatoes turn red when ripe. Some tomatoes turn orange, white, or even purple. Do you think we're going to make pizza? Let's see. 8 tomatoes are washed before making the sauce. In the kitchen, the tomatoes are cored, peeled, chopped, and simmered with olive oil, garlic, and salt until very soft. The tomatoes are then pureed to make a smooth sauce. 9 basil leaves are picked from the plant in the window. Flour, water, and yeast are combined to make dough. The dough is rolled into a circle. Tomato sauce is ladled on top. Mozzarella cheese goes on next. Do you know why we add yeast? What does the yeast do to the flour and water? You could experiment at home. The pizza slides into the oven to bake. The basil leaves are placed on top of the freshly baked pizza pie. The kitchen fills with the sweet smell of this tasty herb. 10 slices of pizza! We were right! Pizza! For our family and friends, one big pizza pie is cut into slices. The flour, cheese, tomato, and basil came from different farms, but all were grown with the love and care. In the kitchen, the cooks worked together to turn these fresh ingredients into a special meal. Call everyone to the table. It's time to share this good food. And there we go. We have 10 slices. Let's go backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone is full. Dinner is done. Yum. Let's count how many people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess they each had a slice of pizza. Maybe you could make pizza with your family.